Welcome everyone to IHMN550. This is just a bit of an introductory video to welcome you to the course and to introduce you to myself. I'm going to be one of the instructors for the course, but also Rebecca Wilson-Ma will be the second instructor. So just to give you a very quick background on myself, I used to work with Parks Canada for a few years back in the 90s and early 2000s. I did a bit of work on market research for them, customer service, visitor behavior, things like that, as well. I focused on interpretation and communications analysis. After Parks Canada, I worked with the Canadian Tourism Commission as their chief market analyst and doing work all around the world with respect to Canada's key tourism markets. After working with there for a while and working on a very interesting project called the Explorer Quotient, I went off to Australia for 4 years to work on my PhD. I did research on film-induced tourism, or possibly what we're going to start calling screen tourism, so that it's a little more inclusive. And I also taught while I was over there at La Trobe University and at Griffith University on the Gold Coast. When I came back, I started working here at Royal Roads, and I've been working here ever since. I'm the program head for the BA in Global Tourism Management. I also teach a few of the courses and supervise in the master's level. Now, the Research Methods course is really about getting you guys comfortable with research, with reading research, conducting research. It's a bit of a stepping stone for your graduate research papers, and while you don't have to use it as a starting point for your graduate research paper, it probably makes a lot of sense. Makes it easier and gives you a chance to get a good head start on things. The way the course is laid out, you will be doing one assignment where you do your research proposal, so telling us why you want to do the research, what are you trying to accomplish with it, what's the need for the research. The second assignment builds on the first, where we look at trying to see what sort of methods you might use in that sort of research. If you have a fairly complex research project, we might have to pare it down and only do a part of the research methods proposed. And then your assignment 3, you actually have the opportunity to practice a bit and try a bit of a mini research project, with the focus really being on giving you guys a bit of practice, but it's also an opportunity for you to share with all of your classmates what worked and what didn't work, the pros and cons of the type of research you were doing, and what you might do differently if you were to do it all over again. With this course, it's really going to be important for all of you to actively participate, bring in your personalities, your characteristics, your previous experience, good or bad, extensive or not, with research. And just as a very quick reminder, when you're looking at research, you can think broadly about all the things and all the ways that you actually conduct research. And you probably don't even think about it at times. Things like, choosing a university, choosing a program, the car that you last bought, what sort of research you did with that, even possibly your weekend meal or the last bottle of wine you chose. All of these ways you've probably done a little bit of research in one way or another, and the idea of this course is to really just teach you a bit more about conducting research, get you a little more comfortable with it, teach you kind of the good and the bad ways of doing scientific research, and again, making sure that you're ready to conduct your research for your graduate research project. Okay, that's just a very quick nutshell, a little bit about me, about the course, and I look forward to working with all of you. All right, have a great day.